What's going on? All right, this weekend I happened to run by Harbor Freight and I picked up their 20-ton press. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this thing together. I've been eyeballing this thing for a couple months now. Yeah, it likes the. It's normally $190 and it actually went on sale to $140. It does that like every other month, so. Sometimes it goes on sale, sometimes they throw you the coupon or whatever. Yeah, I'm just going to throw it together and do a little review on it. Yeah. Oh yeah, and sorry about all the noise in the video with the fans, and I actually have a window unit over there that's not doing jack shit because it is late August and it is insanely fucking hot and humid. So I'm sorry about all the noise. Yeah, it's fucking hot. Now, one of the reasons I went with a 20-ton over the 12 is because of these plates. Your 12-ton comes with some little baby ones of these, which bigger the better. Yeah, so with the 12-ton, the press part of this is actually like about as half as big as that. So I didn't really get this one because it's 20-ton or because it's this big. I pretty much chose this one because of the size of this. This is going to be a lot easier to work with, with all the adapters that I currently have. So. This thing is a little cheap. I'll probably end up just taping this handle up. I don't know why you'd want to do this. It's going to lose it. scary right here. Whew. I don't know how cheap this hardware is. Yeah, this is a little scary. I don't know how cheap this hardware is. I might replace all the hardware on this thing. Man, I don't know, it feels a little cheap. It's Harbor Freight, so. Other than that, I mean, it looks like it's gonna do what I want it to do. I'll go ahead and test it on like a tie rod or something real quick. Everything's very slippery. It's gonna fall on your foot. Got a sway bar end link. See if I can push the bearing out of that. Just test it out real quick. Alright, it is freaking hot. Okay, the Harbor Freight 20-ton shop press, it's definitely going to work for what I needed to do and for my space, for my home garage. My only concern is the hardware here, here. I Loctited everything just in case. I don't want anything coming loose because, who knows what can blow apart on you when you're using one of these. I might want to upgrade the hardware at some point. I'm definitely going to get me some different plates if I can find them cheaply. These guys are way too light. I had to use clamps to keep them from moving around. The heavier these guys are, the easier it is to press anything out. Like if I have a set of axles in there, I need to get bearings out. The axles are easily twice as heavy as those plates, and they can just move it all around, which I don't need it to do. Usually the plates you get for professional style press, the ones that cost a lot of money, the plates you get, they are hard to move on the machine. They're hard to move around, but there's a reason for it. So that's probably one thing I'll do. I'll probably end up like either welding a nut here or taping it up. I'm welding a nut on this side here, just so those pins can't slide all the way back, and this thing fall down on my leg or fall down on somebody that's in the garage. I just want to be able to pull them out and put them back in, and I'll probably end up grinding down some of these sharp edges, just because they're kind of sharp, and I got kids running around and stuff like that. I'm not worried about the finish. The finish on it's great. This right here is going to get all scratched up because it kind of rides in here. So it's going to get all scratched up anyway. I prefer this. I mean, it's super slick. Everything is slick because it's new. I prefer it all scratched up and grippy. And I don't care if it really rusts or not like that. Like the hydraulics are going to stay good as long as they stay oiled up. And the jack, it seems to work pretty well. I don't like this freaking handle. I'll probably end up getting me like I have like a little tiny jack somewhere that probably doesn't work. I'll probably end up using this handle because it's twice as long. It has the same style of thing on it. Or I can just cut a groove in it, or I can just give me a piece of pipe that's the length that I want it. This two-piece thing, I don't understand this. All this is jiggly, trying to fall on your foot, trying to piss your ass off. So maybe I don't know what I'm doing with it. I don't know if it's supposed to go somewhere or it's supposed to go through here and like a lock or something. I don't know, but I have no fucking idea. But yeah. Anyways, as far as the price, got it on sale with a coupon. Normally $190, got 45 off. So it was 140, 145, something like that. It goes on sale and off sale, at least once a month or once a week. Not once a week, but 1 week during the whole month. So yeah, don't buy it for 190 bucks. Just wait. It's $140. I think the 12 ton is normally $140, $145, and you can get it on sale also. I think for like $119, but you can use they're 20-25% off coupons that come in the mail, and you can get it for like 105 bucks or $99, something like that. I priced it one time, but for me, that press is just way too small. This part is just way too small. It's half that big. It's gonna be hard for me to use. The plates are super duper small. I mean, it's a little shorter, a little narrower. It wouldn't work for me. It might work for you, but it's not gonna work for me. But other than that, I think it's going to be well worth the money. I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. I'm going to tear it up. And you're going to see it in some videos coming up. Yeah, I'm doing a bunch of bushings on the Lexus I just bought and whatever I end up with, So, other than that, yeah, it's hot as shit.